Now let's see this divisible by 6. Now we can write 6 as 6 is equal to 3 into 2, right? Therefore we can say that a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 3 and 2. So in order to check for divisibility by 6, check whether it is divisible by 3 and check whether it is divisible by 2. If it is divisible by both 3 and 2, we can say that it is divisible by 6, right? So you check this number 636. Now the units place is an even number and so it is divisible by 2, and if you take the sum of all these numbers, it is 15. 15 is divisible by 3, therefore 636 is divisible by 6. And next one is divisibility by 7. The difference between twice the digit at units place and the number formed by remaining digits should be divisible by 7. So what it means is, you take, let's say this is the number for which we want to check divisibility by 7. You take the number at the units place, which is 9. You take the twice of it, which means 2 into 9, right? Now remaining number here is 74. Therefore you find out the difference between these two, 74 and 2 into 9. Whichever is greater, you take that and subtract the other number from it. That is difference. Now if you take the difference, here I got the difference is 56. Therefore, since 56 is divisible by 7, we can say that this entire number is divisible by 7. Got it? Next one is divisibility by 8. We can write 8 as 2 into 4, right? So if a number is divisible by both 2 as well as 4, we can say that it is divisible by 8. That is one way. And the other way is, the number formed by last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. So which means, if you have this, now the number formed by these last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. If you can check that, it is fine. Now since this number is very big, it is better you check whether it is divisible by both 2 and 4. It is divisible by 2 because the units place is even, and it is divisible by 4 because the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Now since this is divisible by 8, the last 3 digits, the entire number must be divisible by 8. You can check it, okay? Next one is divisible by 9. So we can check the divisibility by 9 same way you have checked the divisibility by 3. Or if a number is divisible by 3, right? Okay, I cannot say that. Now see this, the sum of the digits of a number should be divisible by 9. The same way we have checked for 3, we can check for this 9 as well. If you have a number like this, 3, let's say 6, 9. Now you try to add these two, add all these digits, it is going to give you 18. The sum is divisible by 9, and so we can say that this number is divisible by 9. And the next one is divisibility by 10. So if you had to find out whether a number is divisible by 10 or not, you just see the units place, right? Let us say the number is 980, something like this. Now if you look at the units place, here it is 0, right? Since this number, the units place is 0, we can say that it is divisible by 10. Got it?
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.